Hey family, welcome back to this kitchen. It's BJ rolling in the kitchen. Tonight we're gonna do these party wings over here, and we just gonna do them real simple. They're gonna be garlic pepper chicken wings, the little party wings. So I got my mixture all mixed up. So I got 2 teaspoons of garlic pepper in here, 1 teaspoon of paprika, about a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a half a teaspoon of garlic pepper. So I'm just going to mix this. My camera is sitting up too high. Okay, that's better. I look a little crooked though. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this together. And the paprika is just going to give it the color that I want it. And the rest is just going to give it the flavor that I'm looking for. Okay, so once I finish mixing stuff, I like to taste it. See if what I want on my chicken. That's it, you guys. Oh, yep. Let me go wash my hands. Toe that up. Okay, I'm back now that I done washed the seasoning off my hands. Okay, so I'm going to show you the 4 little things that I used. Okay, the garlic powder, the garlic pepper, the paprika, and the kosher salt. Okay, and now I got the party wings all clean. I'm gonna drop them off in this let's see, I'm gonna put my glove on. Here's my seasoning mix. I like to mix up my own seasonings, so my gloves are non-powder, non-latex. And I like to just drop my chicken. They all washed up. And I got my oven preheated on 400. So I'm just going to lay these chicken wings. I keep calling them chicken wings, but they party wings, you guys. But I let them sit so the water could drain out of them. Okay, so now that we got them all in here, so I'm going to sprinkle a little. And then I'm going to mix them up. And then we're going to lay them on this baking rack. And I put aluminum foil on the pan just so the cleanup will be a little easier once they come out the oven. And I'm gonna cook them for about 40 minutes on one side and flip them over. Let them cook on the other side for about, uh-oh. He tried to get away. Maybe I should have used a bigger bowl, but I didn't have that many party wings, so I didn't think I needed a bigger bowl. Okay, so I'm going to continue mixing these off camera, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them sit in this bowl for about maybe 5 minutes just so the seasoning can sit in them. And then I'm going to lay them on the baking rack and put them in the oven. So once I get ready to put them on the baking rack, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, it's been about 4 or 5 minutes. Now I'm just gonna lay these out on this baking rack. And make sure you keep a little space in between each party wing. So again, we're gonna cook these for about 40 minutes on each side. And I'm gonna set the timer for 40 minutes. Okay, you guys, we're gonna come back and have some beautiful wings. Alrighty, I'll let you see what they look like in 40 minutes, you guys, when I get ready to turn them over. This is how they look. They're going in. Okay, you guys, 40 minutes is up. This is how they look. I'm gonna turn them over and put them in for about 20 more minutes. Okay? Okay. So look how nice these turned out. So I'm just gonna turn them over. And I'm gonna set the timer for about 25 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back and check on them. Probably 30 minutes because I want both sides to be crispy. So I'm gonna put it on 30 to 35 minutes, you guys. Okay. 35 more minutes. Okay, you guys, I didn't leave them in there another 30 minutes. What happened is I checked them after 15 minutes and they looked good. So I took them out, I turned them back over, and I left them in there. I turned them back on the original side, put them back in there for 5 more minutes. So first side was 40 minutes, second side was 15 minutes, and then back to the original side for 5 minutes. Okay, got it? Okay, now this is what we got. Okay, so yes, so I made my plate and I'm getting ready to try these wings.
They look so pretty.
Thank you. You taste the seasoning is so good, you guys. They are good. Okay. So as you guys can see, I need to take care of that bowl right there. So I have my plate already ready, and I'm getting ready to handle my business. So until next time, I will see you back here in the kitchen, rolling with BJ. And until then, you be safe, be blessed, and keep praying, okay? Until next time, peace and blessings. Good night.